Well, alrighty everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, I know it's a little weird that I'm making this video after a really long time. There's been a huge gap between my last video that I posted and this video. I've actually been busy with a lot of stuff, trying to figure out something really different recently. Anyways, so today we're going to talk about this common problem that people face when they're learning English, right? I used to have this issue as well. Have you ever been talking in English and suddenly your mind just goes blank, like you can't think of anything, and it kind of feels like you're just stuck? Well, if that happened to you, well, it's a very common issue, and I'll tell you exactly how you can fix it. So this happened to me all the time. Like I would watch videos in English, I would play games and stuff, right? I used to do a lot of things in English, but when it comes to speaking, my mind would just go blank, and I couldn't think of anything. Now, the reason why it's happening because not that you don't know English, it's just that you're doing a lot of things at once. Like, for example, you're thinking in English, you're trying to remember the vocabulary, right? You're trying to translate it from your first language into English, and then you're thinking about the grammar, and then also you're worried about mistakes, and also you're thinking about speaking confidently. Imagine doing all these at once. Of course, your brain going to get overloaded, right? And you're going to forget things. And that's exactly what's happening. So here's something really interesting, right? Understanding English and speaking are two completely different things, right? When you're watching YouTube, you're only receiving information, right? But when you're speaking, you're actually trying to produce the output, right? You're thinking, and then you're framing the sentence, and then you're trying to say it, right? You're doing a lot of things. Now, here's one mistake that every learners make, right? So when you're trying to talk and you forget the word, you don't really know what to say, well, don't just stop. What most people does is that they would just stop completely, right? Just say the word. Even if you forgot the whole sentence, just say the word what you're trying to say, all right? For example, you want to say, I forgot the umbrella, right? You forgot the sentence. You don't know the whole sentence. You just forgot, your mind just went blank. Well, don't stop there, all right? Just say the word. Just say the context, like umbrella. I was talking about umbrella, right? And something happened to my umbrella. Maybe I forgot. Maybe I kept it somewhere. Oh yeah, I forgot my umbrella. And that's how you're gonna know the sentence, right? It's that easy. So when you're saying and you completely forgot the sentence, don't just stop there. And then you're gonna feel like you're stuck, right? Don't do that. Just say the word. Just say the context, and then I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see the entire sentence because you're gonna remember it with the context, right? Now here's what I want you to do. All right. Just walk around your room anywhere and just point at any random object, right? And just talk about it for like 60 seconds, like 1 minute, right? Just do it. For example, there's this water bottle over there on the table. So I'm just going to look at it. I'm just going to talk about it for 60 seconds, right? Well, that's a water bottle. It's a blue color water bottle, right? It has water in it. Oh, it's half empty. No, it's half full, all right? Oh, is it a cold water? I think it's normal water, all right? Just talk about it, anything, all right? Any object, it doesn't matter. And that's how you're going to build vocabulary. It's that easy, trust me. So here's the thing. If you forget an English word, don't just stop there, or you're going to feel like you're stuck, all right? Don't stop there. Just try to say it. Just say anything. Just give the context. What was the thing that you were going to talk about, right? And then once you do that, you're going to feel confident next time. You're going to remember that, even if I forget the word, the sentence, I would still be able to communicate because, English is just a language. It's just like any other language. And most important thing, when you're stuck, if you feel really nervous, don't try to switch to your native language. Don't do that. That's a mistake. That's the first thing you want to avoid. All right? Don't switch. Try to talk. Just say anything. Because at the end, it's just a tool. It's just a communication tool, right? It's just a language. And then you're going to learn it eventually, all right? It's not that big of a deal. So if this ever happened to you, make sure you follow this tip. It's really helpful. It's probably going to work out, all right? So how about you guys subscribe to my channel? Until then, have a good one.